Oil change on a 2015 Subaru Outback. Got it on ramps, got the back wheel blocked. I'm going to take the oil cap off. I'm going to be using a 17mm socket on a 3/8 drive ratchet with a short extension. Break the drain plug loose and remove it. And drain the oil into an approved receptacle. I like to inspect the drain plug for any metal shavings or dirt or debris that may have become attached to it. Give it a good cleaning, wipe it down, and then reinstall it. Torque it down to approximately 30 foot-pounds. Make sure not to over tighten it. I'm only changing the oil today, not the oil filter. I change the oil filter every other oil change. I'm using Valvoline 020 full synthetic oil today. I put in 4.5 quarts of oil and then check the level to make sure I don't overfill it. I will check the level again once I take it down from the ramps. I like to put a little bit of oil on the O-ring on the oil cap. It just keeps the O-ring from drying out. I put the oil cap back on and tighten it down, make sure it's nice and snug. After I back the car off the ramps, I'm going to check the oil level again. Oil level looks good. And now I'm going to set the mileage and the date on the vehicle maintenance monitor. Thank you for watching my video. If this was helpful at all, please hit like and subscribe to the channel.